Scientists in China are looking for ways of using these to feed a rapidly increasing population. A population that's projected to grow to 1.44 billion by 2030, according to World Bank figures. And these pigs at a cloning institute in southern China are the foundation of their efforts. These are surrogate sows carrying cloned piglets. Head of Cloning and Genetic Engineering at the Beijing Genomics Institute, Dao Yutao, explains the goal.
If we have this technology and we can make it really commercialized, we can apply it into this field, that we can import very small amount of pigs and then make the mass production or expansion just here locally in China.
The scientists remove DNA from skin cells of a prized boar and transfer them into pig egg cells cleared of their nuclei. The resulting embryos are surgically implanted into surrogate sows. And while cloning is highly controversial, especially when it comes to food, Dao Yutao believes it's totally safe.
I think more and more evidence has proved that cloned animals are safe and they don't have much difference from the normal ones. And I think the Chinese government will also find a solution to prove it.
And it's not only meat that's being replicated. Rice is China's staple food, but feeding 22% of the world's population using only 7% of the world's arable land is a huge challenge. And to make matters worse, rice cultivation uses 50% of China's fresh water every year. Genetically modified or GM crops are the answer, says geneticist Chang Gang-yun.
If we can use the GMO food to use the water more efficiently, that means to save more fresh water that will be very, very useful in future.
It's too early to establish what negative impacts cloned food might have in the long term. But the statistics in China are compelling. And with no other alternatives, the search for high-tech answers continues apace. Tara Cleary, Reuters.